This is Miss Andrea, and today we're going to talk about a parent's responsibility when homeschooling. If you're new to homeschooling or overwhelmed, relax. We're here to help. So, in talking about parental responsibility when homeschooling, there are just a few things that you need to know. First, what? What will you teach them? You get to make 100% of the decision as to what your children will learn as a homeschooling parent. Your state homeschool laws will give you basic guidelines, such as what subjects you should cover and how much time you should spend. But you get to choose which curriculum your child will use, or whether you will create your own curriculum. You're absolutely allowed to do that. Many first-year homeschoolers choose the easiest homeschool curriculum to follow, and then they start making other decisions once they get more comfortable. Second, how? How will you homeschool? You can teach all or some of your children's coursework directly to them. You can hire tutors. You can join a homeschool co-op for group classes. You can choose a hybrid homeschool program or online private school. Just remember that online public schools don't really count as homeschooling per se. Finally, record keeping. You must fill out the pertinent paperwork required by the state, first of all. Then you need to keep track of the work your child does. That can be done through a portfolio or journal. Keep in mind, college-bound students will need to show that they have learned what is required to get into college. You need to keep track of that and put it in a portfolio. But that's a whole nother video for another time. We'll get to that soon. This week's question: why do I have to keep records of homeschooling, and what records should I keep? First, some states require that you keep records, and they'll check on them periodically. So you'll just need to follow those guidelines. Chances are this does not apply to you. Other reasons include in case of conflict such as divorce or someone calling defects, both of which actually happen. You don't want to be charged with educational neglect. Keeping records will prevent this. Second, to help you analyze the progress of the child and to plan the next steps, to prove that they're ready for college and to get them accepted and to get them scholarships. These are all valid reasons to stay on top of your homeschool record keeping. If you have any thoughts or questions, please go ahead and ask them in the comments. Until next time.